हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू स्टेज क्लासेस। आज हम प्लस टू के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। इसमें इंटीग्रल चैप्टर 7 इज गोइंग ऑन दिस इंटीग्रल 7.5 एक्सरसाइज के लास्ट क्वेश्चन एनसीईआरटी बुक से 21 से 23 अप टू 20 क्वेश्चन डन yesterday, day before yesterday. Okay, these are the last questions in NCERT book. Exercise 7.5 integral of the rational function by partial fraction method. First, rational function converts into partial fractions and then special formulas, or we can say which one, particular formulas that I told, that integral formula using here. Okay, now we have done. Now this forward question number is 21. Question number 21 is integral of 1 upon e power x plus 1. Okay, integral means dx, means that solution by substitution that here e power x is equal to t. Then e power x का डेरिवेटिव e power x only and dt by dx. Then dx will come and multiply this side is equal to dt. Use this. Okay. Then this integral will be reduced into new variable e power x dx. Dx is equal to dt by dx value dt by e power x and into e power x is t plus 1. This. Then this reduced into two partial e power x again t. We can write for dt upon t into t plus 1. Then this partial will be equal a upon one linear vector plus b upon other linear vector t plus 1 in variable t. Okay, then coefficient of 1 and LCM will cancel. Then this will be at direct I am writing plus a plus bt. Okay, this. Then comparing the coefficient of t, variable t coefficient here 0 and this side a plus b. A plus b equal to 0 and constant term a and 1. A is equal to 1. Then a1 put here, so b is equal to minus a. Minus a means minus 1. These values, while in this integral will reduce into two integrals. One integral dt upon t and a is 1. Okay? And b is minus 1. So minus 1 upon t plus 1. Done. So these both integral, this is anti-derivative log t. Okay, log t minus log t plus 1. Okay, plus integral constant c. Then replace original. What is t? T is e power x. Then log of e power x minus log of e power x plus 1 plus constant. Then log m minus log n. Again one formula only. Simplify log m minus log n is equal to log m upon n. Log m upon n. E power x upon e power x plus 1. This plus constant. This is your solution. डन, ओके, क्लियर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन बेटा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 22 MCQ। These last questions MCQ. So in that multiple choice questions, multiple choice, 4 choice given, anyone will be correct. So which is correct we have to find. Now question x dx upon x minus 1 x minus 2 integral of this. Now a partial fraction we can take of this. So solution partial fraction we can write. Okay, partial. What are the partial of this? X upon x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2. Now simplify, LCM cancel, then x is equal to ax plus bx, LCM and solve, minus 2a minus b. Now compare the coefficients. X coefficient here a plus b, left hand side 1, a plus b equal to 1. Okay, constant term minus 2a minus b is equal to 0. Constant here left hand 0. So then put here a value is equal to, from first 1 minus b. Substitute this value here, then minus 2 into a value 1 minus b, 1 minus b, substitute minus b is additive, equal 0, then solve, minus 2 minus minus plus 2b and minus this b equal 0. Simplify, so 2b minus b, b is equal to 2. Done. So b2, then a will be equal to 1 minus b, 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So a is minus 1, b is 2. Then this will reduce into 2 integral, 1 integral a upon x minus 1. A value minus 1. So minus 1 dx upon x minus 1. Okay, done. A plus b. So b is 2. So plus 2 integral dx upon b2. So dx upon x minus 2. This part done. Now integral of this negative log x minus 1. Antiderivative formula plus 2 log x minus 2 plus constant. Now this 2 स्क्वायर में जाएगा और log of x minus 2 whole square, ठीक है, and minus log x minus 1 plus constant. Now this log m minus log n, log m minus log n, log m upon n. So log m, m is x minus 2 whole square, m upon n, n is x minus 1. Okay, done. Plus which part is, check here, log x minus 2 whole square upon x minus 1 plus constant. This b part. So b part is the correct option. Take here. Done. Next question number. Yes, beta. Next question. Question number 23. MCQ. This also. Now what is it? This integral of dx upon x into x square plus 1 is equal, multiple choice. 4 choices given. A log x minus half log x square plus 1 plus c. B log x plus half log x square plus 1 plus c. Here c minus log x plus half log x square plus 1 plus c. And D option half log x plus log x square plus 1 plus c. So we have to check here. The solution we should give, but directly how can give without solution? To solve, in solve for partial fraction we can take. Partial will be a upon x plus, अब ये क्वाड्रेटिक है तो बी एक्स प्लस सी upon quadratic, not factor possible, then this partial and this 1 upon denominator x into x square plus 1. Okay, this partial implies LCM, then only 1 is equal to ax square plus a plus bx square plus bx square and plus c x plus cx. Done. Now equate coefficient of x square, this side 0, then this side 0 and right hand side a plus b. A plus b value equal to 0. Coefficient of x square both sides. Second, coefficient of x c is equal to 0. Third, only constant term a, that is equal to 1. A1 plus b equal to 0, then b equal to minus 1. B is minus 1, C is 0, A is 1. So put these three terms and this integral reduced into two integral what A upon x. A is 1. So 1 upon 1 dx upon x, done. Plus B x plus C dx. So minus 1x plus minus 1x, okay, and plus c 0 plus 0 upon x square plus 1 dx. This integral is and log x plus minus out. So this t, take this t, x square plus 1 substitution is equal to t, okay, and then 2x dx is equal to dt, then x dx is equal to dt by 2. So use this, then this integral minus out, okay, and x dx is dt by 2, so 1 upon 2 dt, okay beta, c minus out and dt by 2, x dx value dt by 2 and upon x square plus 1, then it is t, x square plus 1, that is t, okay beta. Then antiderivative, then log of x minus half log of t, okay, plus constant, then it means log of x minus half log of t x square plus 1 original. What is t? X square plus 1. Done. So which option this you check? Minus half log x square plus 1. Minus half log x square plus 1 log x. So A option is correct option. Which option correct? A is correct. Okay, done. like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them. They must watch, like, share and subscribe the video, subscribe the channel, and you will get the next notifications automatically with your device. Okay, so guide to the others friends also that they must subscribe the channel and send the feedback in the comment box and share video to the maximum contact. Thank you.